Okay, first off, I cannot tell you. You know that little thing that says show more posts? Every time I open it up, it's like somebody that I recognize followed by an actual just image of just Bajin, right? Just actual Bajin. We can't do this. I can't do this. We can't do this. The internet has been home to all kinds of content for a long time, so it was no surprise to anyone when people started tweeting porn at each other. X, formerly Twitter, has long had many not safe for work communities. And though the social network unofficially allowed people to post adult content, its rules have never forbidden or allowed such content outright. That's changing now. Over the weekend, X added clauses to its rules, formally allowing users to post adult and graphic content on the platform with a few caveats. A user can now post consensually produced not safe for work content as long as it's prominently labeled as such. The new rules also cover AI-generated videos and images. Can they get categorized? Can we block the category? I think that's what they're doing. So if I guess maybe there's like flair. You have to add some Reddit flair to your post to let them know that you don't want it right there. X is just undercover adult site. Dude, it's crazy. Okay, so here's my rule. Here's my general rule is one, I can't imagine that it's not really difficult trying to keep porn off of X. Like, I get that that's probably an extremely difficult problem, right? Hot dog, not hot dog. That's a real thing, okay? I hope bots will get triggered with political terms. So that would be great. Yeah. These porn bots need to go. And so right now, I actually have, like, whenever I go on Twitter, I get worried that I'm going to open up one of these and some of the replies are going to, like, one of these replies might just be fully graphic stuff. I've had it happen a couple times just recently where it's just like AI generated Bajin probably is just my assumption. It's just Bajin, but it's AI generated. Nip and vagina. Yeah. We need a nip and vagina detector. And so balls incoming. Yeah, for sure. Those are the prawns. Yeah, there's a lot of prawn in there. And so it's like I just get so worried about navigating Twitter now because I don't know how much porn there is. YouTube is most certainly not any better. Most certainly not any better. But man, if they could just get it so that if you post it, you have to put yourself into a category, at least I can block the category then. I'm not sure. I mean, the right answer is that to me, the right answer is people don't post porn on X, but I somehow doubt that that's going to happen. And I don't think we have a sophisticated enough filtering system to do that. You can block the category. That's what I want. Block the category. Because then at least I can get rid of the category. The tweak to the rules is not a complete surprise since X under Elon has already experimented with formally hosting adult content. What? We believe that users should be able to create, distribute, and consume material related to sexual themes as long as it's consensually produced and distributed. Sexual expression, visual or written, can be a legitimate form of artistic expression. You know, when we zoom in on that butthole, it's just like that is artistry at its peak, okay? Booty hole, goatsy spread style is just fully what we need, okay? It's art. It's art. You wouldn't understand, you old boomer. You just don't understand. We believe in the autonomy of adults to engage with and create content that reflects their own beliefs, desires, and experiences, including those related to sexuality. We balance this freedom by restricting exposure to adult content for children or adult users who choose not to see it. The page reads, X's violent content rules have also a similar guideline, but X maintains that content should not be excessively gory or depicting sexual violence. The platform continues to disallow content that explicitly threatens or incites glorifies violence. The company's reasoning for allowing graphic content is to let people participate in conversations about what is happening around them, including images and videos. Is that really what people do? People just have like conversations around porn images? I'm pressing X to doubt. I'm somehow pressing X to doubt on this one. This seems all these people banging around me. Have you been on a single Discord server? No. Discord is for degenerates and furries. All right. The social network allows users to mark their posts as containing sensitive media and doesn't allow users under 18 or those who haven't entered their birth dates on their profile to see such posts. X never really banned porn, but these clauses could let it build services around adult content. Crazy. About 30%. That's crazy. This is crazy, X. About 30% of posts on the platform in 2020 contained adult content. That's crazy. How the hell did you come up with that statistic? Twitter is one of the few major social platforms that permit nudity on its service. The company has estimated that adult content constitutes 13% of Twitter. Good Lord. I mean, people be tweeting like 19 times a day. That's crazy amount of prawn tweets. I bet that's not counting the porn bots. Yeah, that's probably not counting the porn bots. Imagine the ex-employees who had to go through tit posting better than shit posting. Those are rookie numbers. It's crazy. Let's see. Adult content on X has seemingly gone up since, especially as porn bots have proliferated the past. Dude, it's so bad on YouTube as well. Every one of my YouTube videos, the first 5 to 10 comments are all just butts and vagines being like, oh man, you know that part where you said how you liked that thing? Man, it just really got me thinking. You want to chat more about it? Like, they got some sophisticated AI comments. I got, like, one of the comments was so sophisticated, I was just like, this has to be a scam. And it was. It was crazy. It's crazy because the bot even did Charut raid. Now that social network is formally allowing adult content, regulators will no doubt be keeping a keen eye on X and its efforts to weed out non-consensual porn and child sex abuse material. Yeah, this has to still be a huge problem. Last October, Australia fined X for failing to provide information about child abuse content. And around the same time, India notified multiple social networks, including X, to remove CSAM from their platforms. I don't know what CSAM is. That makes sense. Yes, you should remove that. This would be a positive thing to remove. That's wild. I don't know what this means for X. You know, like if it just keeps getting more and more that way, and it just keeps getting worse and worse, then I don't have a problem jumping ship and going somewhere else. You know what I mean? I just don't know what network I would go to. I don't want to be on Mastodon. You know, I'm not going to, dude, I know you guys are all saying Mastodon maybe. Dude, Mastodon is just the worst, okay? I think I'd rather join Truth Social than Mastodon, okay? I'm just going to throw it out there. I think I'd rather be on Truth Social than Mastodon. Good Lord, I don't like Mastodon. Truth Social, let's go. Good Lord, I mean, dude, the most incessantly annoying responses are pretentious assholes. Exactly. The worst responses I've ever had are always Mastodoners. I don't know what is going on with Mastodon. Fuck it, I'll make my own X, call it Tweeter, yeah. No mentions of Threads. You know, the funny part is I have a decent amount of followers on Threads. Or on whatever you call the thing, on Instagram. I assume, does it transfer over? I got 100,000. Let's go. We got 100K. Look at that. I don't know what it is also. Oh, you can't see the numbers? But like this has like almost 1 million views. This has over 1 million views. I don't know what it is. I'm so successful on Instagram. Same shorts get like 10,000 views on YouTube. I don't know what it is. Can't figure it out. The way Mastodon works is you post there and take a screenshot of it and then post on Twitter. Is that how it works? No gym vids on Insta? No way. Well, I mean, there's a picture of me working out. Yeah, you infiltrated my reels. Yeah, I know. I've been getting in. I've been getting into people's business. How much are you spending on X to go live for broadcasting? I greatly appreciate it. I'm not spending anything. I press go live. It goes live. And look, we're live. Let's go. Hey, me. Hey, that's me. Hey, this lady wants your balls. Hey, here's this. We got a lot of balls talk this morning, okay? We got sex on Twitter. We got this lady wants to have a formaldehyde wall of balls. I don't know what the hell's happening here. What kind of world are we living in? Too much microplastics. She wants a microplastic filtration system to build her own super material out of ball filtered microplastics. It's a ball-shaped world. Weird. So weird.